Hey team, welcome to the numbers game. I'm Coach T, and in this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at an example of a linear combination. Let's get started. So our example here says, determine if B is a linear combination of a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. Of course, our first step here will be to combine these vectors into one matrix. So starting with A1, our top row will be 1, 0, 6, 2, second row, -2, 1, -4, -1, and our last row, 0, 3, 24, 9. So to be clear, A sub 1 is our first column and B is our last column. Now let's start to row reduce. First, I'm going to multiply the top row times 2. Next, I'll add our first row to our second row. And then divide the first row by 2. Next, we'll multiply the second row by 3. We'll add the second row to the third row, which will give us all zeros in that last row, and then divide that second row by 3. We can actually stop here. We see that our last row is completely 0, so that means that this system is consistent. For reference, if the number in the last column of the last row was a non-zero number, then this system would be inconsistent. But the entire third row are zeros, and so therefore this system is consistent, and that means that this system has a solution. And so therefore we know that B is indeed a linear combination of a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. So we've come to the conclusion of this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful for you all, give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to the channel for more math tutorials. I'm Coach T, and thanks for watching the numbers game.